Good evening and welcome back. Interesting day. We have Nifty closing at 0.72% and Bank Nifty at 1%. Uh, what let's just have a quick recap of what we spoke about yesterday, right? We did three things: Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the Bandhan Bank. Let's just have a quick look. Nifty at daily 0.1% was at support, right? And bam, this has now turned. This is now taken support on the moving average, and column reversal has happened today, right? This is a good sign. Now in the intraday time frame, it is not really bullish, but again, the higher time frame is giving me a good sign. Let's just have a look at how this plays out. Right, on daily it is on column of X and nice ABC is forming. Let's see how this plays out. But as of now, I'm bullish. Stop loss, double bottom sell. Let's have a quick look at Bank Nifty. Daily 0.1%. It's a nice ABC forming, and it's a huge anchor column. If I have a look at this, this looks good. Let me just quickly plot the mini top, mini bottoms, or let's auto 45s. Right. Let's remove this and just keep one line for so around this, right? Another maybe uh, let's say 50 to 650, around that will be a good area. But it's nonetheless a good watch. It's a huge anchor column, and it is a bear trap below D smart that has now turned into a 100% pole and a huge anchor column of 76 boxes. Right, this looks very bullish. There's nothing to short here. It's a short term consolidation, and when it breaks out, we will see how to look at it. But as of now, we still remain bullish with this. And Bandhan Bank, for this I will look at daily 0.25. It was a total breakout follow through. It has now given 1.37% today. This also looks good. Actually, I think we looked at point one itself. Right, it is a nice breakout. There's nothing bearish about this, which is good. And let's see how this plays out. The next stop is somewhere around 164, 165 maybe. The targets are also around 168 to 170. I think we can have a look at that. Let's see what are the open counts. These are all bearish counts around 158, 165. Let me remove my uh, multi count. Right, so it is a slight crowded area between 158 to 169. 158 seems a strong uh, pattern collection here. Right, so yesterday's picks were good. I think we got the view right. Let's come to our analysis for the day. Nothing in all sectors that I see. Nothing in Bank Nifty, swing engulfing, Renko patterns as well. Everything pretty much is in the bullish side. Bajaj Finserv and Axis is on the bearish side, but looking at Bank Nifty, I'm not really bearish on financial sector as of now. Just to have a close look at this, we'll have a close look at Zomato. Intraday time frame looks very good, but this is below D smart and approaching the moving average and D smart running line, so not going to really go detailed into it. Let's just have a look at IRFC and how that looks. Intraday is a turtle breakout follow through, and this is now, like, I'd like to wait for a double top buy. Right, this is a bear trap below moving average and below D smart, which has now gone ahead and broken above the walking line and close retracement, and now a follow through is loading. If it loads, it looks quite good. and the targets will be, your double top buy is at 133, and your targets will be 153 and 177. Let's have a look at Bajaj Finserv. It's a long anchor column and a turtle breakout. But let's see on the daily time frame what it looks like. It's now formed a high pole. IPOL is 1929.14. It is at hypole area, but it is also at the support area of D Smart, right? This is achieved, and 2051 is very close to being achieved. 2011, but it's now come to the support area and almost at the hypole area as well. Let's see how this plays out. The last one for the day will be Axis Bank. Axis Bank on intraday is, it's a low pole, but it could not get a follow through. It's again given a double bottom sell at moving average on intraday, which is okay. But again, this is exactly the formation of Bank Nifty that we saw. There is some upside loading with good at least 150 to 200 points in Axis Bank from what I see. So there's no point in shorting these. Axis Bank actually at a column reversal might not be, because it will be completely aligned with Bank Nifty, right? With the sector. Let's look at some options. We are seeing Polycab 5100 CE. 3% looks very good. It was a turtle and it was a bear trap. And now that bear trap has got follow through with an anchor column of 17 boxes, and now that anchor column is given a follow through, and your targets are 496, almost 500 and 800 for April expiry. This is not a bad watch list, but do please keep a tab. Polycab seems to move around quite a bit in a good speed, so it's advisable to keep a watch. Well, this is everything, and thank you for watching. I've been noticing a lot of positive comments. I've got personal feedback on my chat, and it's extremely helpful. Let me look at adding a quick view of breadth and how it goes as well in the coming few days, and we'll see how to make a process out of that as well. Thank you very much once again. Have a good day and have a good and a profitable week.